So I was thinking the only reason I want the village to disappear from the game is that I don't want a hero to be placed. So maybe I can just do this, you know. So if the hero already exists, don't create a hero again. Problem solved. So we have the actions here. Let's get rid of that. I have the place building. There. I don't need to remove it. So the building does nothing. Just creates the hero, the barbarian. And that's it. That's all it does. So the second thing I wanted to fix, what was it? I don't remember. Oh, it was the something about the creation of the. All right. So when the treasure appeared here, I got the card, but this is not what I want. What I really want is not the index, but the number. It's the index itself that is inside the shuffle bag item. So I'm gonna have to go through all of these. Int, let's call bag index there. So I go through all of these guys. And do like this. If inverse let's do a new int list. There. If inverse, do this. Otherwise, so I get through this twice. Maybe I should do it in another way. There. Wait a second, I'm all confused. all the cards of a rarity and then get a random one of those. Using this bag index there. So if it's inverse, so card rarity the rarity so let's do it like this. If inverse else, so it's faster. If it's inverse, there. If card is that, there equals temp indexes. Let's remove this. So this isn't necessary because I already got that. Anyway, I think that wasn't the problem, but I already have it here. So anyway, it doesn't matter. Temp index is shuffle bag. No, this is not a shuffle bag. Oh yes, it is a shuffle bag. So get random card by rarity. Okay. Get random card by rarity. Get rarity. It's not inverse. So if not inverse, there. Okay, let's try again. Okay. let's build it there. Stone. What? Oh, look at this. What just happened? Index. Temp indexes, shuffle back count. So I open the chest and this gives the wrong thing. Temp indexes. This is the mistake. Card list index. Why? Oh, I made the same mistake than before. It's not the index of this, but this index is the one I want. Okay, that means I'm starting to get exhausted. My mind is starting to make mistakes. Silly mistakes. Ah. Let's see. Nice, I have a potion. There I have stone, I need 3. What? Close yourself. Close yourself. Ugh. What happened with you? Let's delete the village. Oh, I should have tested it actually. Alright. Self-health. Nice. Okay, but I'm going to make myself slower, but I'm gonna recover some health, which is good. I don't have more cards around. I should have used the village to get another treasure. These, for example, these ones. Oh, I'm gonna write this. Make day icons for the day circle to indicate day points. Day clock. Should have called it day clock. There I made myself +1 cooldown, but I'm healing 1. I'm healing 1 point of health. Alright, let's see if I can build these guys around there. There. Oh, I just need grass. There we go. Do I have... there. Oh, that sucks. Oh, a village. I'm in a tower. Another one. Where can I see? Tower. So I... oh, now what? Oh, the same problem as before. Non-negative. Index out of range. Temp indexes. How is that possible? So imagine if I have rare, very rare. Let's change these. Create rewards. Debug.log. Let's do a reward. Reward. type. So I need a rare, very rare, and legendary. I know I have legendary, but I'm not sure if I have. There we have a common, very common. So let's see. These has to be very common, and this is common. Potion, very rare, very rare. Let's add rare. Maybe that was the problem. So I have very few types actually. Iron, sword, very rare. The permanent is legendary. There we go, we have very common and common. Actually, these grasses shouldn't be that common, they should be rare. Very common. Common. Very common. There we go. I hope that fixes it. Okay, that's useful, that's very useful. Oh, okay, stone and wheat around there. Stone and wheat, ouch, there. Oh, he didn't get any. He didn't get any chest. Oh, nice. And let's build the ruins right around there. So we have these. Oh. Tree, stone, and grass. There we go. We have wheat, tower, throwable rock. Maybe I should give more cards in the coffer. I mean chest. Look, I still need effects. Okay, I need grass. Oh, look at that. Okay, I can build it. Oh, I have 2 villages. Okay, let's do this So it's much simpler to build a village. Oh, but I can't build it there. I need width there. Oh yes. Enemy weak. Self potion. No thank you. There I have grass. So I can build this guy, which is tree, stone and grass. The tree, stone, and grass. Tree, stone and grass. What? Tree, stone, grass. There. A village. Let's build a village around there. Ouch. There. So I don't know how many minutes passed, but I still can't attack. I mean, I can attack, I just need to get effects. There. There we go. So I have a tower. I'm gonna fight those guys. Seems there are many. I need to add more treasure chests. Oh hi. As Rie Sandwich, hello, how are you? So I think I need two things. I need to add more treasure chests, and I also need the treasure chest to give even, I guess, two types of cards, right? Let's do this. 4 there, +3, -3. Alright, let's do this. Mini card there. So let's go to auto map or map something. How was it called? Custom map. Custom, no, not here. Map custom, and let's change the number of treasure chests. There, 8, more like 12. I should change this. Let's call this treasures chest quantity, and let's make this serialized field private int indexer, no, int. There, treasure chest quantities. Let's recompile. Okay, good luck with the game, and thank you so much for the nice words. Okay, so I have more chests, and there I have 2 guys. Let's put this here, and let's put this here. There we go. Reward type, so this is 1, 0, 1, and 2? 3 or 2? Maybe 3 is too much. Hot reloads. Let's go. There we go. Whoop. There. Nice. What's going on here? This is all wrong. Something wrong happened. Treasure chest quantity, let's say 12. There, refresh. Generate. Okay, script have compile errors, really? Oh, that's why. That's why. There. Compiling. All right. So let's create a village. Oh, look at that. Okay, so maybe I can build a tree there. Let's build a village and let's construct our friend very far away. For example, there. So we have the there wheat tree and stone. Whoop. There. There we go. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa, legendary. Throw a rock. Throw you in the trash. Ha ha ha. Did I miss anyone? No. What happened? Cannot play a disabled audio source. Nice. Oh, you know what I should do? I should add defeat skeleton, rat, slime, watcher, goblin, barbarian. Oh, GDD, do you like my game design document? This is my game design document. It has like a million, no, just right under 60 pages. And this is part of it. I also have diagrams. For example, this one. This diagram. Whee! Very useful to have diagrams, you know. Let's see the card system. Colors. So I have the card here. Gets more complicated, but makes things much easier to understand. those diagrams. Where are you? Anyway, I don't like the stone. Okay. So if you have a teammate, it's important to make it readable. I think that in teams, it's very important to have to use the GDD as a communication tool. Otherwise, I don't know. I use it for writing ideas and also as to-do lists. And if I need to analyze things, you know, I write ideas, I read the ideas, I correct the ideas, I write options, and then I make a decision on all those ideas, and then I make a new document to diagram those ideas. But I think the most important thing is to test the ideas, to make prototypes. That's why the GDD has to be something that is constantly changing, you know. It should never be written in stone. Because if you write ideas, you prototype them, and then you realize the idea sucks, you have to change that. You have to change the idea, you have to try something different. And so you have to delete everything you wrote and try something different. Or maybe not delete it, but let's say put it in the library, put it somewhere hidden far away, or not hidden, but stop using it because you already tested it and it sucks, you know. So it makes no sense to follow a GDD if the idea is taking you in the wrong direction. You know, no matter how much work you put on the GDD and your ideas. So yeah, take that, GDD. Yeah, it should be something that changes all the time. Village. So what was I doing? I need effects. I still need to solve that problem. Check out this guy. What is he doing? He's really excited. He just wants to fight. Oh well. Okay. There. How much? Self-health. Enemy confused. Okay, this is kinda good. Oh, I need something else. I need an effect to activate. As activation. I really need that. Add a card, item fusion card that adds an activation event to the item. In combat, enter poison. No, let's do like that. Etc. Okay. Too many villages. Why? Okay, I have two potions. So this is self-health, enemy shield. Why do I have too many villages? So many villages. Okay. What's wrong with that? Buildables. Village. Very common. Oh, I get it. Okay, the village should be legendary, right? Or should be very rare. Actually, this should be legendary. So this cake, I should change this to common, not very common. So that way I can get more cards. Let's try that. Village very rare, and these are common. Rare. Okay. Fusion, and this should be very common. Maybe I should be able to get more cards. That's the solution. Maybe make the defeated enemies give you 3 cards sometimes, 2 or 3 cards. What's happened there? 80, 80, 80, 80. Crazy. There. Grass. Wow. Oh, let's leave it there. There we have there's stone. There. What the heck? Why did you give me 2 villages? Are you crazy? There. So actually the villages, wow, 2. Third plus 1. First minus 1. Okay. Okay, let's kick. Let's punch. Ruins. Can I build the ruins there? I have there a tree. Oh, look at you, man. You got stuck for no reason. Anyway, let's check. Potion. Oh, look at this. Shield. Health. Okay, let's try again. Village card. Why are you so crazy? Very rare. So legendary doesn't mean much. It's Rare. Come on, man, I just need this guy. Very common. I don't know. This method of shuffle bags is not quite working. Update on destroy. No, it's where is entity? What was it called? Entity Ving. There. So it's a reward. This gives 0. Gives 2 cards. 2 cards. Let's make this like this 4. So let me give you more cards. There. So 0, 3 cards. At least 1. There. Great. Up to 3 cards. That's crazy. Let's do this. Wait a second. I should be leaving in a few minutes. All right, let's try to see if I can stay like for 15 more minutes. Yes, that sounds okay. Actually, I don't really do too many calculations here. See, that's all text. There are no numbers. There is no math here. See, there is just text. For example, this way I feel bad about the game. Feels like it's not too great. I guess I just have to build it to see if it's good or idea or not. I won't know until I build it. See, it's all ideas. It's ideas and feelings and things like that. Look here, it's a mistake to look at other games and think that they won't like my game because it's different. Because I must focus on making a game I want and like to play because I belong to a niche too. I must aim at the same audience niche I belong to as a gamer. So see, it's all ideas. Ideas and analyzing ideas and getting to conclusions. Well, this is the design of the game, for example. The combo has a target, and the target has a relative slot, and a card type, and a color for the card. The combo trigger has a starter card. That you see, it's all ideas. See, for example, this is ideas for cards. We have antidote that reduces the poison. We have modify movement speed. We have vampirism. We have strength, and so on. And so you want to see how it started? See here. The project was called Adventure Map, similar to Loop Hero, Tristram, deckbuilder, and other autobattler or idler. So it's not an idler, it's more like an autobattler. You start with a procedural generated map with resources scattered. You build buildings that are dungeons. What? You beat? Oh, dungeons to help your hero level up and get stronger to defeat the final boss. So the idea was to build little things that were dungeons, and the hero entered the dungeons and it got stronger, but now each building just creates the enemies on the map and they fight. You see them fight. So I wrote a to-do list where I had to do the cards, the card placement, click, and ready to build. There, so it's all a to-do list also that has many. See that they are lists inside lists that are inside lists that are inside lists. So it's things that keep growing. And well, you see that I also scratch some ideas there. When I finish something, I scratch it. When I leave it a color at it, it's because I still need something. I still need to pay attention to it because it's not finished. So I had the idea for a system to load states so I can create a specific state to be able to debug it. So it's like loading and saving games. So what happens if the card targets another card? So that's actually solved. So I'm gonna remove it. There. I finished that part. Well, there you go. Lots of parts that I finished doing. More ideas. Some questions. See, like this. I ask myself questions and I try to do research and answer the questions. So how are card synergies combos in my game? So I played demos like Godslayer Arena or Slay the Spire and backpack battles. So I wrote Voltage 2, Super Auto Pets. So I wrote how they play, what ideas I liked them, what I liked about them, what I didn't like. So it's just a bunch of stuff together, you know, and it just keeps growing and keeps growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. So there, it's alive, you could say. It's alive and growing. And I write, of course, bugs I need to work on. So there you go. I got distracted. So what was I doing? I forgot. I completely forgot. So there you go. Oh, you want to see how some screenshots of how it started? Check this out. This is how it started. This is how it looked in the beginning. So this is supposed to be resources. So I started with that, with the terrain and the resource creation. Then I got to build things. These were the cards at the beginning. These were the enemies, those red things. And I had the health bar there. So this is where I started to add effects to the cards. Well, and so on. Oh, this is how it looked not too long ago. Anyway. Oh, look. Some graphics there. 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 So let's keep playing this thing. So what do I need? Stone? There or what? There we go. So in the end, I guess I got a fun game that has some problems. What? Something wrong happened there. Okay, I have 2 attack cards. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. So there, it starts with 0. Oh, there, minor or equal to range 0. There we go. There we go. Continue. What's... oh. Ah, there we go. Okay, let's see if that works, and I'm gonna finish for the day and continue tomorrow, I hope. I just wanna see if I can get new effects. I need more. That's just not enough. Okay, this is taking too long. 3 days is too long. Okay, gonna change that. 3 days is too long. 3 days, more like 2 days. So cave, evening, morning. Okay, 3 places, 1, 2. Okay. Let's try again. Alright, oof, that's a very powerful weapon. I wonder if I fixed it, but I don't want to check right now. So this is that. I need a stone right there. Okay, I really want to test it, but not right now. Oh, I forgot to equip it with an attack. Oof, 4 cards. That's like crazy. 4 cards. Okay, again. So this is self-sleep. Not good. I have a combo, stone, and the tower. Let's see. There, let's add the stone. Alright, so I have this. What's... oh man. Another error. Okay. Stone, tree, punch, ruins, their cave. What else? Let's put some grass. What's this? Enemy shield? Self-health? No thank you. What's this? Oh, the throwable stone. What's going on? Ruins. Okay, that's much better. Man, I just want new effects. Why is that they are so difficult to get? I should have so many more. Something wrong is happening, I think. Something wrong is happening, I'm sure of it. Okay, yes, it's something wrong is happening for sure. I have too many punch attacks. Too many punch attacks. No, something's wrong here. Let's see. Weapons, items, attacks. Very common. No man, you should be rare, not very common. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Thanks a lot for coming and watching, and your feedback. No, not your feedback. Your encouragement. Well, see you tomorrow, I hope. Bye bye.